Many people claim CPA marketing is dead, but the problem is they are not doing it correctly. And in this video, I'm literally going to show you one of the easiest ways you can start earning money with CPA marketing in 2026. This is one of the easiest strategies you can use by far if you don't have experience and if you are a complete beginner. So in this video, I'll be walking you through the basic steps and how you can start doing CPA marketing correctly from today and start making money. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And before we get into the video, if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel and make sure to drop a like on this video as well. As you can see on your screen, this is AdBlue Media, and this strategy works with other platforms as well. Unfortunately, AdBlue Media is not accepting new registration, but you should not worry at all, as you can do this on other CPA networks. You can use platforms like ogads.com to find CPA offers. You can start promoting and start earning money with this strategy. Once you come over to the platform, just click on the sign up button. And just like that, it's going to bring you to this page where you want to enter your basic information to create your account right away. You can use cpagrip.com as well. Once you're on this page, just click on the register now button. And just like that as well, you'll be able to sign up for a free account right away. And once you create your account, your dashboard should look like this. And this is where I'm going to be using as an example to show you how this strategy works. So once you create your CPA Grip account, as you can see right here, other people are making money on this platform as well, which means you can also earn money on the platform. Just come over to offer tools and click on my offers. And once you do that, you can select any country of your choice here. This is really up to you, but we are going to be taking United States as an example for this video. And now I'm going to show you an example of an offer. I tested out this strategy for you guys so you can see that it works. As you can see here, I got a lead from this offer. This is not a lot of money. This is just to prove to you guys that this method works, regardless of the offer you decide to promote. So you can definitely replicate this with any offer. As you can see, I did this with another offer as well, and this method has proven to work. And once you find any offer of your choice, make sure to copy your affiliate link. So once you copy your affiliate link, you want to go over to facebook.com. Then you want to go to the menu section. And this strategy here works with pages and with groups. But for this video, I'm going to show you how to do this method with pages. If you want me to do this method with groups, just comment it down below and I'll consider making another video. So once you click on pages, it's going to let you give your page a name. As you can see, I'm using Smart USA Shop Pass as an example. Then you want to come over to the category section and select relevant categories. Okay. And once you do that, you want to click on next. And now it's going to ask you to enter your website, your other information like address and email. You don't really have to do this. Just make sure to create a simple landing page. And I showed you guys how to do it in my previous video. If you have not seen that video, you can click on it right here. All right. So make sure to get a custom domain for your landing page. This is very important if you want to get high conversion rate. Okay. So once you get your domain, you can type it in right here and click on next. And just like that, you are almost done. It's going to ask you to create a profile picture. And don't worry, you can use AI to do this. Just go to a platform like Gemini or ChatGPT and enter a simple prompt like this, and it's going to help you generate high quality image you can use right away without copyright issue. Just download the image to your device, and all you need to do is to upload it as your profile picture, and you want to click on next. It's that simple, okay? It is going to bring you to this page, and now you are 100% done with your page, and you can start posting content on your page and start earning money. Like I showed you earlier, we are going to be using this offer as an example. Then you want to go to ChatGPT and enter a simple prompt like this. And once you enter this simple prompt here, it's going to basically give you ideas of content you can post on your Facebook pages and you can start earning money. You can see it gives you different style of content you can post on your pages and start earning money using this method. And also you can come over to the website of the offer as well to get ideas. So now we know Swagbucks help people save money and help people make money. Okay. And as you can see, people make money by simply taking surveys on the website. They make money from cashback and online shopping as well. So now we are going to be taking this number 4 idea as an example by creating a short video. And to do that, you can use an amazing tool called Canva.com, which is 100% free as well. Just sign up to the website for free and you want to come over to the video section, and here you want to then look for mobile video. Okay, so you want to click on this, and here you want to then click on mobile video. So once you click on this, you're going to see numerous templates you can use to create your videos right away. So once you come over to canva.com, type in simple prompt like this. So Canva shows you relevant templates you can use to make your videos in less than 2 minutes. All you just need to do is to change the text to make it match the video you want to make. As you can see, just like that, it's going to show you templates you can use to create amazing, ready for you to post videos, which you can easily just change the text like I mentioned and upload it to your pages. But make sure to include your domain name in your video. Okay, that is the reason why you are getting a custom domain. So that once people find this video, they are going to find your domain name, and if they go to your website, they complete the offer, you make money. Okay, as you can see right here, you can also tell them to go to your profile to find the offer link. Just come back to ChatGPT and make videos for other ideas like this, and I can assure you, if you are consistent, if you put in the work, some of your content will definitely go viral and you will make money in passive income. So this is one of the easiest ways you can use ChatGPT and Facebook to start making money with any CPA offer of your choice. Another quick way to get traffic is to join Facebook groups related to the offer you are promoting. Just share a link to your video in those Facebook groups, and I can assure you, you are going to get a lot of traffic as well. As you can see, many of these groups are very, very active. And so these are other type of keywords you can use to look for targeted groups, which you can promote this type of CPA offers in and start making money. Now that you know how to make money with CPA marketing and Facebook, I highly recommend to watch this video next to scale your CPA earnings.